Congratulations, seniors! You've survived college application season. Now that your decisions are rolling in, there's a few crucial steps you need to take before you cross the finish line. One of them is updating your SCOIR account. This helps your counselors send your final transcripts and keeps our school's data accurate for future seniors. This should be done prior to your senior checkout meeting window starting in mid-May. First, let's get logged in. Head over to Clever to use your TTUSD single sign-on to access SCOIR. Once you're logged into Clever, find and click the blue SCOIR icon to open your dashboard. Once you are logged into SCOIR, find the top menu and click on the My Colleges tab. This is where the magic happens. Before you update any results, look at your Applied column. You need to make sure every single college you sent an application to is in this list. Yes, even the ones you decided you don't want to attend anymore, and even the ones you were denied from. If a school is missing, search for it and move it into your Applied column now. This includes community colleges, trade, and technical schools. Next, it's time to update your admission results. Click on each college in your Applied list and update the application outcome. It is incredibly important to log all your results, including your denials. We know denials aren't fun, but logging them is completely confidential, and it helps build accurate scattergrams to help future students at our school. Finally, the best part. It's time to make it official. Once you've made your final decision and paid your deposit, go to the college you will be attending, update the status, and mark yourself as enrolling. This tells your counselor exactly where to send your final high school transcript, so you can register for your college classes. And that's it. Double-check that all your colleges are listed, all your outcomes are updated, and your final destination is marked as enrolling. If you need any help, reach out to your counseling office. Congratulations again, seniors. You did it.